guys, we just found this. My dog is in love with a vacuum cleaner. I don't understand this madness. Help me. Say hi, James. Okay. This is a weird dog. If your dog is a pit bull, get the Shark vacuum cleaner. They love it more than you do. Say hi, Daddy. Wait.
Hey, Bubs loves vacuum cleaner.
Uh-huh. This is Bubbles. I don't understand this dog. What is on here that she loves so much? I am. What is going on? I don't understand this, James. Just let him have it. This is complete craziness. I don't understand. If your dog has done this before, tell me what is going on. If you know. Because this is not normal.
She's been licking now for about a half hour.
Yep.
Oh.
This is vet. This is the vet.
Oh. She's done. Is that it? No.
What is going on, child? Dog thing. Whatever you are. James. Cheese. Okay. I don't... Get your head out of the way. I don't understand. James. This is weird. I don't know what's going on. This is really strange. That's the closest he's going to the vacuum cleaner. He hates it. Watch this. Vroom!
To the video. You did?
I think so.
James.
He hates...
Vroom.
Vroom! He hates the vroom noise. But this is not normal. Please help me. Yep, this is the closest he's ever gotten to the vacuum cleaner. Please help me. If you know what's going on, please just say anything. I don't know what to do about this. My dog is in love with the vacuum cleaner. Yeah. Zoe, Cookie, and...
Wait, stop, 5,000.
Out.